Old heads practice different.
Where the coach at?
Coach couldn't be here today.
Ain't
Coach told me to go ahead and fill in for him today. I'm going to fill in for Coach.
Ain't you the janitor, Mr. Clay?
Deal with trash in the building. Never been trash on the field. 87 all-world up back. 1,700 yards rushing, 1 game, 3 carries. I'm going to lead y'all through warm-ups where we used to do in the 87. I need everybody to spat down. Everybody spat down. Look good, play good, feel good.
Bro, that's duct tape.
We beat our pads when we work out. We beat our pads. We're going to scratch it down.
Oh, chill out. You finna make me fall, bro.
Hey, we're going to scratch that ankle down. Pre-game carried on, sound off. It's everybody. We saw first exercise. I need you to sound out. Beat your pads on it. I want you way back. Let go. 1, 2, way back. True footed on them. All of your feet, my DBs. True footed on them. 2 way back. 3, 2 way back. Hey, we beating our pads. It's karaoke drill. Over. Sound off on 2 way back. 5, 2 way back. You can take it from me. I leave right now. Go! Now beat your pads. When you look good, play good, look good. First thing, finesse drills. Run up to them, finesse them. Pads, everything we do, we beating up pads.
We don't even got no pads.
After you finesse them, you take it to the high and beat your pad. No, tell 1, beat your pad.
Oh, are you even on the team, bro?
I got 2 years left. Eligibility, 46 power on 1. Let's go. How do you feel? Father, say how we did in 87.
Mr. Clay, you gonna make? We gonna be in 5 minutes, bro.
I ain't been out since 87. Y'all take a knee, wait on me. Take a knee, wait on me. Wait on me.